If you are a BMW enthusiast, you probably already know that swiping out your wheels can give your ride a whole new vibe, both in looks and performance. One popular mode is converting 5-plug pattern. What's the pros of install conversion wheel adapters? Wide range of wheels. For owners of old BMW 3 Series, choosing wheel adapters is a necessary, especially when they need to replace aftermarket wheels, as most of today's cool performance wheels are designed for 5-hub. By converting your BMW, you're opening up a world of wheel options and weren't originally available. Better brake clearance. Wheel adapters often allows you to fit larger, more efficient brakes. If you are planning to upgrade your brakes, this conversion is a must. Improved handling. Increasing your vehicle's track width can boost cornering grip and overall stability. Whether you are on the track or just taking a speedy drive, this mode can make a noticeable difference in how your BMW handles. Bonus wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Bonus wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and TÜV testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, bonus wheel spacers provide a perfect solution.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about bonus wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.